Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you tired for the weak Wi-Fi signals? Then don't worry, here we are provide the detailed guide for the how to set up AirTies 4971 Wi-Fi extender. The AirTies 4971 Wi-Fi extender is used to improve and expand your home Wi-Fi coverage. It helps eliminate dead zones and enhances your internet connection in areas where your router's signal is weak. Now watch this video till the end. Firstly, we will unbox the AirTies 4971 Wi-Fi extender box. Inside the AirTies 4971 Wi-Fi extender box, you'll find the Wi-Fi extender unit, a power adapter, and a quick start guide for setup instructions. Some packages may also include an Ethernet cable for wired connections. So let's start the setup process. Now plug the AirTies 4971 into an outlet near your router. You can move it later. Now locate the WPS button on your router and press it. The WPS light should start blinking. Now press and hold the WPS button on the AirTies extender for 3 to 5 seconds. The LED should start blinking white, indicating it is pairing. The LED should turn solid white after a minute or two, meaning the connection was successful. Now setup is successfully complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.